Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse. Get ready to experience pure power, timeless design, and modern performance as we dive into the details of the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa, a motorcycle that continues to define the boundaries of speed and sophistication. A legend reborn. The Suzuki Hayabusa has long been a name associated with ultimate performance. Since its debut in 1999, it has carried a reputation as the fastest production motorcycle ever built. For 2025, Suzuki refines that legendary machine even further. While the soul of the Hayabusa remains unchanged, it now comes with enhanced features, new technology, and refined aesthetics that bring it solidly into the modern age. Design and aerodynamics. Suzuki's designers have once again mastered the balance between aggression and elegance. The 2025 Hayabusa carries forward its signature aerodynamic silhouette, sculpted to cut through the wind with minimal drag. The front fairing features sharper LED headlights, sleeker air ducts, and a refined bodyline that enhances both stability and speed. The dual-tone color schemes with metallic finishes add a striking visual appeal, while the subtle aerodynamic fins integrated into the body panels help with high-speed downforce. Every inch of this bike speaks performance, but without sacrificing its iconic beauty. Engine and performance. Underneath the aerodynamic shell lies the heart of the beast, a 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, tuned for an incredible combination of brute force and smooth delivery. While the 2025 version doesn't chase record-breaking horsepower numbers, Suzuki has refined the engine mapping, improving low and mid-range torque for more usable power in real-world riding conditions. With around 188 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque, the Hayabusa launches forward effortlessly, pulling strongly through every gear. The result is breathtaking acceleration, whether you're on a track or the open highway. Its top speed still edges close to the electronic limit of 299 km per hour, but what truly stands out is the stability and confidence it offers even at such speeds. Electronics and rider aids. The 2025 Hayabusa features one of the most advanced electronic systems ever fitted to a Suzuki motorcycle. The Suzuki Intelligent Ride System, SIRS, includes adjustable riding modes, traction control, power modes, launch control, and cornering ABS, all managed through a 6-axis IMU. Riders can fine-tune performance settings for different conditions, from touring comfort to full-throttle track action. The quick shifter, cruise control, and hill hold control make the Hayabusa as comfortable on long rides as it is thrilling on twisty roads. The bike's full-color TFT display offers real-time information in a clean layout, with customizable data screens to suit individual preferences. Suzuki has managed to combine cutting-edge electronics with the classic analog-style tachometer, a nod to the Hayabusa's heritage. Chassis and suspension. The Hayabusa's twin-spar aluminum frame continues to deliver the ideal balance between rigidity and flexibility. The 2025 model comes equipped with fully adjustable KYB suspension, ensuring precision handling and comfort at high speeds. Braking is handled by Brembo Stylema calipers gripping twin 320mm discs up front, providing incredible stopping power with excellent feedback. The Bridgestone Batlax Hypersport tires have been specifically designed to match the Hayabusa's weight and power delivery, ensuring maximum grip in all conditions. Comfort and ergonomics. Even though the Hayabusa is a high-performance machine, Suzuki has ensured it remains surprisingly comfortable for long rides. The seat height, handlebar position, and foot peg placement are all designed to reduce fatigue while maintaining a sporty posture. The windscreen provides ample protection, and the redesigned fuel tank offers better knee grip for stability during cornering. Whether you're cruising across long distances or carving through curves, the Hayabusa delivers an unmatched sense of control and comfort. Technology and connectivity. The 2025 Hayabusa is equipped with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to link their smartphones to the bike's display for navigation, calls, and music. Suzuki's MySpin app enhances this experience, providing seamless integration of essential features right at your fingertips. This technology doesn't just make the ride more convenient, it modernizes the Hayabusa for the digital era, appealing to a new generation of riders. Pricing and availability. While official pricing varies by market, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is expected to start around $19,000 to $20,000, depending on region and trim options. For that price, riders get one of the most iconic sport touring motorcycles ever built, offering a perfect blend of tradition, technology, and performance. Conclusion: the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. It represents decades of engineering mastery, performance refinement, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Suzuki has successfully evolved the Hayabusa into a machine that honors its legacy while embracing the future. For those who crave power, precision, and presence on the road, the 2025 Hayabusa stands as the ultimate expression of speed and style. This is Pro Wheelhouse, where performance meets passion.